Hello everybody. Today we're going to be looking at religious experiences. So a religious experience can be described as something mysterious, feeling the presence of a divine being about you, feeling this wonderful presence around you, experiencing this. And this could be by God or by gods, depending on which religion you believe in. So when thinking about religious experiences, you have to think of two things. The first is direct religious experiences, and the second is indirect religious experiences. So direct religious experiences are experiences where God intervenes in your life. For example, when Paul was on the road to Damascus, Jesus stopped him, using the bright light that shone upon him. That was a direct religious experience. Otto, this is one of the philosophers or scholars you should remember, and the idea of the holy, say that direct religious experiences are things that are beyond physical observations in the universe. So this is like a numinous religious experience that can be described as a direct religious experience. But personally, I would argue either way, because you can argue in your essay that maybe it's not a direct religious experience, because for it to be direct it has to be exact. Like when Paul was on the road to Damascus, he saw Jesus there, but then if you can't really observe anything in the physical world, how can that be direct if it's not really touching you? If you say, wow, it's transcendent or something like that, you can't really say that's direct. But anyway, that's for you to decide. Anyway, indirect religious experiences are kind of like when the individual focuses on God. Indirect, God focuses on the individual. Indirect, the individual focuses on God. These normally come sometimes when somebody is searching for God, and such things, when somebody learns something about God. And that's what you need to know about direct and indirect religious experiences. When you're thinking about religious experience, you have to think about whether religious experiences are enough evidence for God's existence, and whether, well, you could argue it's the same thing, whether it's enough proof for God's existence, whether they're believable, and you have to compare the other two. So join me in my next video when we're going to look at the other types of religious experiences, which is mystical and numinous, visions and voices, conversion experiences, corporate, and revelation through scripture. Thank you.